Vaughan Company was started in 1960. We're a fourth-generation family-owned company. We specialize in the manufacture of chopper pumps and various other specialty pumps, all addressing the wastewater market, as well as some agricultural and industrial applications as well. Vaughan Company is located in Montana, Washington. We have all of our manufacturing and all of our headquarters and operations are located right there in rural Washington State. Vaughan Company is very well positioned for growth, and we have a great manufacturing facility. We stock $7 million in parts to be able to reach the needs of our customers and get them the parts that they need when they need them. Our lead times are the shortest in the industry, and we're going to continue to strive for that. The Build America, Buy America Act has definitely put a lot of new requirements on manufacturers that produce equipment for infrastructure in the United States. Vaughan Company has always been a U.S. manufacturer, and we source all of our parts and components, and we manufacture everything in our facilities here in the United States. So we are Build America, Buy America compliant. And we're going to keep being that for the future. We do keep certain areas of parts stored in other countries to support markets outside the United States because we want to hold true to our lead times and our support of our customers that we strive for here in the U.S. outside of the United States. We are definitely a global company, and we look to address these needs globally, but we still do all of our manufacturing here in the United States. You know, for Vaughan Company, because it's just the status quo for us, I don't see any effect to lead times happening. We definitely have a lot of capacity for growth, and we're looking forward to growing as a company in the years to come. If people want to learn more about Vaughan products, they should just go to our website, chopperpumps.com. We have all the information about our products there, as well as contact information to reach out to the rep in your location.